everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Mi 10i versus the Poco X3 device in terms of the 4G data or speed test comparison. So this is a kind of unique speed test comparison. The reason why I'm saying that thing because right now in this test, I'll be doing the low signal 4G data comparison, friends. So right now you can see, so this is a particular my studio where the 4G signals are really low. So you can clearly see here, friends. So right now I did use the 4G SIM card in the Poco X3. So what I'll try to do is that in this kind of low signal environment, I'll try to use the same SIM card in this Mi 10i device. So let's see, friends, whether the Mi 10i will it make any difference in terms of the 4G signal reception. Is there any difference or not? So we'll get to know in this complete 4G data test. So in case if you are having the Poco X3 device, so you will also get the confirmation that the signals are really low in the Poco X3 and good in the Mi 10i device. So let's get started, friend, with this kind of comparison. So as I said, let me try to quickly open the speed test application first. So I'll be first using the speed test application test in this Poco X3 device, and then I'll try to use in this Mi 10i smartphone. So let me try to quickly start this 4G test. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Also check the links in description for more details about this device. So you can clearly see, your friends, the signals, the bar is of close to 3 signal bars I'm getting on the top, if you notice, as you can see. So 3 signal bars on this Poco X3, but the download speed is only 1.49 Mbps. You can clearly see, friends, and the upload speed is of not even close to 1 Mbps. And you can see the signals quickly disappeared, again appeared. So there is some kind of network issue is going on in the Poco X3 device, friends. So right now I'll try to use the same SIM card in this Mi 10i device, and then let's see what the difference will it make if I try to do that. So let me try to do the testing 2 times. So I'll try to do the 4G data testing 2 times. So let's see, friends. And sometimes you do get this kind of 4G plus signals as well. So right now you're getting 4G plus. If you notice, sometimes you'll get the 4G plus, sometimes normal 4G. Just try to focus on that 4G signal. As you can see, it's only 1 bar at the moment. So this is a very good scenario, friends, to test the 4G data reception signals in the mobile phones. So let's see how well the Poco X3 will be doing. So right now, as you can see, the upload speed is really slow at the moment. And once this is done, I'll try to do the same testing in the Mi 10i device. So overall, I collected the 2 results. So top 2 results are the latest results which I did right now. So let me quickly disable this SIM. So let me try to open the SIM card, and let me try to use the same SIM card in this Mi 10i device. So I'm trying to make it same time scenario, friends. I'm not even passing this video. I'm trying to continuously record this video to make sure that it's happening at the real time. So you know exactly what will be the 4G data signals in this Mi 10i device as well, in this kind of low signal environment situation. So let's see how well the Mi 10i will be receiving the 4G data signals. So it's still it's connected. On the top you can see here 4G data signals are on, and I am getting 3 signal bars. You can clearly see 3 signal bars I'm getting here on the top. So right now let me try to quickly open the speed test application. So I'll try to do the speed test here, friends. So let's see how well the Mi 10i will perform here in this kind of scenario. As you can clearly see the difference, there's a huge difference, friends, between the Poco X3 and this Mi 10i device. And one thing I did observe is that the signals did not decrease, and it maintained constant. It maintained constantly 3 bars, so it did not even decrease during this time. But in the Poco X3 device, the signals decreased. So that is one thing I did observe in this low 4G data environment test. So every time I used to do at the high signal time 4G data, but recently I thought, after going through so many comments from the subscribers that they're facing this kind of issue, so I thought of even including this kind of low signal environment mode, so everyone knows what's happening even when the signals are really low. The signals you can see, friends, right now it's 2 bar, but it did not completely disappear. That is one thing I can guarantee. In the Poco X3, the signals completely disappeared. It did appear. So 0 bar to again 3 bar. But right now in this Mi10i device, so from 3 bars it decreased to only 2 bars, but it was constant. There is no increasing, there is no fluctuation in terms of the signals. So that is what I observed in the Mi10i device. So overall, this thing I can guarantee you friends, even in the low 4G data environment scenario, the Mi10i will perform quite better than the Poco X3 device. So if I compare with the Poco X3, so I'll try to do the same kind of 4G data comparison in terms of the low environment test with other smartphones as well, which I'm having currently right now. So maybe with the Realme X7 Pro or OnePlus Nord or Samsung devices, I'll do the same kind of test. So let's observe the top two scenarios right now. What is the highest score we got? So the highest score in the Poco X3 it's recorded about 1.49 Mbps, and the highest in the Mi10i is recorded about 7.16 Mbps. You can clearly see the difference friends, 7 times the speed of this Poco X3 mobile phone. And the signals are really strong in the Mi10i device. So that is what I felt during this kind of testings. So now a lot of users who are using the Poco X3, they will also get to know that signals, there is a problem in the Poco X3 device. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison, and for more comparison make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for more this kind of interesting live wallpapers what I'm using in my videos. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.